How to turn on and enable Spotify Jam. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Spotify application. Now at the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. Now go to Settings and Privacy and scroll down to the bottom. Now scroll upside and find Jam. Now click on Tap and Join. Now click on Activate. Now allow Bluetooth. Tap on Next. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.